happy Friday. I hope that everyone had a very happy Thanksgiving yesterday. You know what? I was actually ahead of the game yesterday. I'm surprised. Normally I'm behind on one or two things, but I had everything ready before everybody came over. That's a first for me. I don't know about you, how you do on getting your Thanksgiving plan, but normally I'm behind. And it was good to have everything done ahead of time. So as you can see, we're in my family room, and I'm going to show you everything that I've done in here. So let's go ahead and get started with the tour. Well, here's what my family room looks like from the kitchen area. Let's head on in. We're going to start at the right side of the fireplace here. Now, I used to have my secretary hutch here, if you remember, and I switched it over to the other side, and this is the table that was over there. Have a couple of nutcrackers. I filled this container with some pretty sparkly green and red balls. And, of course, I have a snow globe. It's another thing I collect. I don't have a lot of them, but I have a few. Keeping with the red, gold, and green theme from the fireplace there. Here are the topiaries that I did. Now I was going to show you really quick over here with this one that I don't have them attached to the urn. Let's come down here. So this is the urn that I showed you that was black. I painted it gold, and I have 3 different picks in here that I've actually hot glued to the urn, but they'll come off real easily. So I have these red sparkly ones, these gold ones, and I actually added a few pieces cut off from a evergreen pick. And I think it turned out really, really nice. So let's put this back on. I didn't want to glue that on because I might use it for something else. You never know. All right, let's back up, and we are going to look at the fireplace. Now, you might notice, if you remember from my fireplace before when I did the collaboration with Liz, I didn't have that reindeer there. No. I decided to set that reindeer there. That is that one reindeer that I showed that I got at Home Goods. I thought he would fit in perfectly with the colors. He looks really nice with that. Okay. Let's go down here. For some reason my candles aren't on. I have them on the timer, but they're not turned on yet. I normally have these boxes here, but I thought I would put this huge red lantern that I got at Kirkland's, and I dressed up. It came with the candles in it and that little bit of greenery. I just added the greenery around it, and I added this bow. Of course, I didn't make the bow. It's from Hobby Lobby. I added the 3 ornaments, and I added this little thing right here too. It already had the greenery on it. Let's go over to my secretary hutch. Now, I decided not to do the inside, so I thought it was just a little bit too much, because I did something really, really nice on the top here. I know it's going to be hard to see that lamp up there, but I added a little bit of some hanging garland beads on it. Got my twinkle lights in there, and of course some nutcrackers and a couple big ornaments. Now these are the other ornaments from the topiary, the green one in the middle. It came in a package of 3, and it came with the red one and this one here. So I bought 2 packages and decided to use these for just for the decor and the others for the topiaries. Okay, we're going to pan down here to my trunk. I just have a red throw on there and a couple pillows. I like this one with little trees on it. Now, I didn't do too much to my entertainment center. Didn't want to overload it too much. Now, I didn't do anything to the bottom. This is what I normally keep on the bottom. Okay, so I didn't want to add too much there. But I did add a few nutcrackers and some of those ornament picks from Hobby Lobby. on each of the shelves, just to dress it up a bit. Sorry about that, my hand slipped. And I kept my gather sign here, and I put some more greenery. And of course some more of those ornament picks. And over here, because I had some really tiny nutcrackers I thought I would just use to fill in. And sorry if this is a little bit dark. I got all the lights on, and it is dark outside. I'm actually doing this on Thursday night. Everybody has left, and I thought I'd get my video done really quick. Hopefully you can see this up here without me having to get on the ladder. I have this sleigh up here that I decorated with one of my Santas. You know what, actually I think I'm gonna go get the ladder, and then you can see what this looks like up here. I'm gonna go grab that really quick. Okay, so I'm up a little bit higher here, and you can see the Santa that I have. And I dressed up the sleigh a little bit. And I have a garland up here, like the one on my fireplace over here, and I added a bunch of those ornament picks and a few others in here. Those are the 2 candlesticks that I got at the thrift store. I just kept them the way they are and put some white candles on there. And just have a little bit of a floor arrangement up here. Wasn't quite sure what to do with that. But I really like the Santa up here. Okay, now I'm going to get down and we're going to look at the coffee table. Well, here's what I did on my coffee table. I have that tray that I did the DIY on a while back. Just have some greenery, some ornaments, a couple of my nutcrackers. Check out the snow globe. Look at it. Let's watch it for a little bit. Looks like it just started. I got this at Home Goods last year, and the little houses light up. Let's get in here. And it actually blows the snow every few seconds. See how it's stopping now? It's going to get ready to blow the snow again. I really thought this was cool. I didn't even know it did it until I got it home. I just thought it lit up. There it goes. I think they still have these there. Now over here on my love seat, I didn't do anything really. I just changed out my pillows with my neutral ones, and I found this joy pillow at Home Goods. And you know what? It coordinates really well with everything. Love it. That is all that I've done in here. Let's see if we can I really like how the entertainment center turned out up top. I'll come back here a little bit and look at the secretary hutch from a distance. Yeah, unfortunately that light glares too much. I wish you could see it differently. Fireplace. Love how my fireplace turned out. So nice. Okay, well, that is going to do it. And now we're going to just have a little bit of chit chat to end out the video. Well, I hope that everyone enjoyed the video today and that I could give you some ideas on your Christmas decorating. And you know what? I don't know what well, actually, you know what? Monday, got a reminder. We are doing that Christmas tablescape collaboration on Monday. I will have that. And I'll possibly have 2 tablescapes for you next week because I'm going to have that dining room done for you too. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do the entryway or the formal living room yet. I'm not sure which one. And you know what? I haven't even started on my porch. I got to get that done too. Wow. I still got lots of things to do. And you know what? The other side of the fireplace here is my study. I haven't even touched that room yet. Wow. I got to get going on this stuff. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all on Monday for the Christmas tablescape collaboration. So bye for now.